Twilight! The map's calling us! I know. I thought it would be he Fluttershy and someone different. I don't know. Well, it was either. Well, it was only because... Well, Cody, it was only because you and your girlfriend have the same cutie mark. Now let's see where it's calling you. It's calling you to Peril Peak. Peril Peaks? It's just a name. It doesn't mean anything. Oh, what if Cloudsdale is made of clouds and the Crystal Empire is made of crystal? And Appaloosa has members of the Apple family. Okay, you got yourself there. Maybe you should go instead of me, Twilight. I'm sorry, Cody, but flanks don't lie. I guess no pony else is going as far as we are. Maybe they know something we don't know. I told you a million times.
There's nothing to be scared.
I'm sorry. You really startled us. It's just I'm not used to seeing any pony. Taking the train to the end of the line. Their final destination ever. We get the picture. Why?
Nothing but uncharted terrain and wild beasts of power.
Mwah! Ha ha ha! Ah! I guess there's a little something to be scared of. Guess what? A squirrel told me a shortcut they take to the Curing Village. Oh, I guess I had a little caught up in the adventure. It's okay. Now let's go. I hope that's not in here. Hi there! Nice to meet you! This was amazing! Friendship is magic! Except, we're afraid of hurting each other's feelings. Well, hi there. I'm Owen, and this is Cody. If you have any friendship problems, we're here to help. Okay, just forget they ever sung. Huh. Quite a bunch, ain't they? Hi there. It is, like we said, it is nice to meet you. In case you didn't fully hear, I am Owen, and this is Cody. Okay. Just because they're acting silent doesn't mean they're from the moon. Oh. yeah, it's still very happy to meet you all. So, what are your names? Owen. Cody. Anyway, don't you remember? Maybe they don't understand us. Do you understand Ponish? Oh, but you don't talk? Don't or won't? Will you excuse us for a moment? You need to ask them a yes or no question, or else they won't be able to answer it. Like talking to Noah when he lost his voice last week. Sorta. But I can tell what Noah was feeling, but these kirins don't seem to understand. Well, how are we going to solve a friendship problem if none of them is going to tell us what it is? Wait! I think I figured it out! Did you take some kind of silence potion? Was it so you wouldn't hurt each other's feelings? That's it! What are you real feeling inside? You write it down. Write it down on this piece of paper. I think Ninarin should really stop charging and using me as a target. I'll tell him that in a nice way. Hey, Ninarin. The thing is, Ninarin, Kitten just wanted to say, can you please use something else as a charging thing? And what are you feeling inside, Machop? I am a rock type, but Mudkip Senior keeps squirting water at me. Mudkip Senior. I think Machop wants you to stop accidentally squirting water on him. I mean, because you need to work on your aim. Just good luck. Oh. talk again. Yay! How did it all happen? I don't want to talk about it. Okay, I'd rather sing!
The Kirin used to speak and sing. We weren't always quiet. We told stories and funny jokes. Most and it was a riot. But then one day a fight broke out and hurtful words were said. Flaring tempers were inflamed. Destruction quickly spread. And flaming red from head to head even burnt our bread. Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming. Where was I? Oh, right. My happy village lay in ruins. Relationships got worse. Spoiler alert, we quickly learned that words could be a curse. No more talking, yelled our leader. The last thing said aloud. Into the stream of silence we stepped as a crowd. The water cooled emotions and peace was soon restored. But with no way to speak my thoughts, I got super bored. Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained. 'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain. And shiny apples sometimes come with worms. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that the Kirin never learned. I was stuck in silent prison with the voices in my head. Till I tripped over my salvation in a helpful flower bed. I found a cure to clear my pipes, and I became quite chatty. With years and years of stored up words, I drove my village batty. They didn't like my jokes and songs, and they let dose of news. The plays I wrote, the speeches spoke, variety reviews. Was a story about the Kirin who hid below an opera stage and fell in love with this opera singer, and he wore a freaky half-mask thing. He played the organ a lot and got all broody because the singer was in love with another dude. So we took her away on this underground gondola. I mean, who doesn't love musical theater? The village leader made it clear I had to make my choice. I could stay and live with them, or I could keep my voice. So I came here but left the couch alone. They're hard to move, with just the view for company until you heard me groove. Take it away, boys. 'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain. And candles just won't glow until they're burned. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. No matter how hard I schooled them, fear of hurt is still what ruled them. Sometimes you gotta let it rain.
Okay. And it seems I told them about the cure, and then you guys came along to plead them to take it. Especially you. You're the kindest one I ever seen. Aw, thanks. Friendship problem resolved. Let's go home, Cody. Yeah. See you later.